Still having trouble learning English irregular verbs?
Today is all about memorizing irregular verbs. Learners often find them hard work and get confused. But now, I'll show you how to learn them in a simple and easy way.
Everything you need to master English irregular verbs is right here in one playlist. Welcome to Lingportal. We have everything you need to learn irregular verbs. Start with our Irregular Verbs song, #1 on YouTube.
Become, became, become. Begin, began, begun. Blow, blew, blown. Break, broke, broken. Bring, brought, brought. Build, built, built. Burst, burst, burst. Buy, bought, bought.
Then practice with the karaoke version.
Catch, come, cut, deal, do, dream. Irregular verbs are so easy when you sing this song.
Prefer a more traditional way of learning? Master the top 100 irregular verbs with pronunciation and examples.
Felt.
We all felt sad about it. I have felt safe.
Fall. Fell. Fallen.
I fell in love with her. The prices have fallen since last summer.
Want to learn even more? Try 6 hours of irregular verbs or our 268 irregular verbs song. And of course, check your knowledge with our tests. Learners and teachers from around the world love our irregular verbs resources. Here's what some of them say. Want to keep the whole course on your phone? Download our free interactive Irregular Verbs course guide and learn anytime, anywhere. And finally, listen to our Irregular Verbs song on Spotify. Start learning today with Lingportal.